President Ramnath Kovind issues official gazette notification implementing inner line permit system in Manipur from today. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren says CAB will not be applicable in Manipur. Defunct bamboo chipping factory at Kadamtala village in Jiribam district lays in ruins. Defunct factory becomes heaven for drug abusers. And TRI and Assam jointly kicks off first ever indigenous tribal games and sports meet 2019 at Kumanlapak Sports Complex today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joy Shusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Official gazette notification for implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur was issued today. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren said that Citizenship Amendment Bill will not be applicable in Manipur as the inner line permit system is being implemented in the state from today. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Bapupara this morning, Chief Minister N. Biren said that Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced of extending inner line permit system ILPS in Manipur on December 9, but some people distrust the verbal announcement. He said President Ramnath Kovind in a gazette notification today implemented the ILP system in Manipur. Biren said that with the ILP system, influx of migrants in the state will be kept at bay, and at the same time, Citizenship Amendment Bill will not be applicable in the state. He appeals to people of the state to celebrate upon implementation of the ILP system in the state instead of agitating against the CAB. The Chief Minister further assured that necessary measures will be taken along national highways to check influx of outsiders in Manipur.
Masi hanadi akoi Manipur si yaudana tai se leramane adubu sigi gazette sida ngasi phongba sidaida nan Union Home Minister na Parliament Narendra Modi jibu koti pranam karo mana Manipur gi dangta khala kana samai tawna inner line permit tawdore na saw nang ngang ki thajaba pi ki bodo ngasi thabak oina ulae official se oina thol Manipur gi praja miyam da ILP gi damakta sacrifice tawkraba ILP gi damakta sok apan nang kraba ILP gi damakta dharna kaya tawkiba ILP ki damakta rally kaya satkiba adugumba imaivel sing club ki naharol civil society sing aduga political parties sing leiriba mayam punamakta masigi nungaiba pawse through media tamjabani.
The defunct bamboo chipping factory at Kadamtala village in Jiribam district lays in ruins and it has become a haven for drug abusers. Impact News Jiribam correspondent Hijam Bikramjit brings you an exclusive report.
Jiribam district ki Kadamtala khulda leiriba bamboo chipping factory asi haukiba kumja lishing amaga chamapan marifudara tareta matamadu ki chief minister Rishan Kaishing ki meeting makada North Eastern Council na lupa lak changa ka kunga mathoi dasmik sino taruk amasung state government na lupa lak yangkai taret dasmik mapan sino puthok tuna Manipur Industrial Corporation Limited na implementing agency oiduna paikhat kibani loina na factory asi teki puthora puthok aduna Hindustan Paper Mill Assam da yonduna state asi ki income earning tauna bagi pandam thamkibani adubu chaurak na ekatara mangarom pak chawba mafamda paikhatliba factory asi ngasidi mapu pandabaga pangkhak oire hanna yengbidabana narak mongsong marakta factory asi leidi haiba phawwa khangdaba makai leidi. Bamboo chipping factory asi ki hauzik oiriba phibam asi ki matangda Impact News na yangsilubada factory asi chahi taraga mangarom gi mamangdagi mathau tawdana utup tabagum sizinadana leiramba lupa lakh kaya khuzin oiduna leikiba machine kaya calling haigatpa ama depart kaya huran kibagi khudam thengnaraki amaromda factory asida lengakna meeting changdabana khudam oiraga lanai mioi kayana factory asi ki akoibadagi nung phawa pekthokibagi mami chawna tahori
하지는 떠오르네요. 와, 저번에 에코주 수렴네. 무대기 마마이다 가지고 그러봐 뭐 아주 와수 잡히더래. 아주 라케지래네. 뭐 미지. 방부제든지 미나든 두가이버가 파가이버가 파가그라 두가이는 로토박 알랑그라 두가 딩그라 폭도 또나 좀 뿡뿡고 꼭드는 레레지. 마사이 좀더 칼리게 발리게 레레브리는 나하론 요그라 타고 아리 보니 좀 농아이 족번이잖아. 미조 타복도 떠오더라 미나.
oiramliba phiba masigi matangda factory asida office assistant oina thabak tawramba Priyo Kumar Mainamna Impact News da phongdorakpagi matung ina bamboo chipping asina hogalakpa matamda Jiribam district yauna state asigi tongan ba district singdagi wa puraktuna mathau tawramki punna staff kunrom amadi worker nifurom leiduna nongmada tangkak ani thokna khaidoktuna pung kunga mari thabak tawramki hairi
plant and machineries मैम से install तौर मतुंगदा कारबार commercialization commercial कनु तो नबगी मरुइबा पोर्ट माई कोई ना ठेंगनगी अवार्ड पामदजी तमसाना working capital फंगतबा हाइतारे तमसलाई सलागी अदबो मतमसाना working capital सी फंगमगदी अदुसु हिंगबे आपदा कनु ने प्लस पॉइंट मा हाइतारे हिंगनना बदे याम कन होनागी ने सरकार गिसु मीइंग ची वाट किपा अतमदगी लंदम सिगी Honorable MLA Singh Puning Changjin bagi nom to both side inspection la kite local MLA ki jo choba role nai bang thopani adu report me am jo koina uba phangiti matam ta
loinena bamboo chipping factory asina puthorakpa pothok adu Hindustan Paper Mill da yon bani adu bulai bakti badi kaithel da yengsinnabana chief tawraba wasingi mamal adu pothok puthokliba factory na mamal lepaki makuta Hindustan Paper Mill na mamal lepki masina maram oiraga factory singdagi puthorakpa pothok singna sendong laina yon ba ngamkite madugi mathak atopa paper mill amata anakpada leitabana kaithel da pothok yon bada khudong chadaba kaya mayok narakpadagi bamboo chipping factory asi mutkibagi chawraba maram ama oiri haina Priyo Kumar Mainam na makhataki
market se purely monopoly hoigi ba koi se jon bam leita ba haitare ani shuba jon bam leita ba dana koi gi na pambare se phangda moi gi pambare satpa
yengsin bina ba leita bana khusiam na muthat pikraba bamboo chipping factory asi atopa mafam da semgat sagatuna nauna hingat haning bagi apamba wafam thamladuna Jiribam gi leibak lehaw asi wa thabada yamna chanaba mafam ni haina Jiribam College ki Department of Geography ki assistant professor Karam Sarat na phongdoraki
Jiri da paper mill ningat pase mafam khwadi gi sai aina ayani maram ji jiri da wagi pothok se marang kaina phangi aduna jiri da paper mill amal ningat tarabadi ji da leiriba thawab phondba mayam chu thawab biduna Manipur ki semilon su kana mayam phangani bamboo chipping ji di amon hinga pe moda di paper mill ne hinga pane na phaya maram di paper mill ota di paper koi finished product se mayam sine da market da aduga bamboo chipping ota di finished product tu di silchagi bamboo chipping ju raw material ne ju ndo mi shumtagi wa je koi na ka thangam taraga koi jon maduni adudi koi da kana ba pangde
State ki semilo na phagana bani haidana lupa lakya na khujing oiduna factory kya likhalabasu yengsin bigi daba mai leina ba authority na hanna yen bidrabadi nauna bamboo chipping amal likhalabasu koina kana ga leite karigumba lamdam asigi lay actually paibasina state ki amadi miyang yai banaba thabak taw matamda tung koina sakada wakalona mangna thadana thabak tawrabadi Manipur na hiram khudimakta mangjil thana sakhal oidabagi maram leite Impact News kadamo palumjari ba isa hijam bikamjit bamboo chipping Jiribam.
Now moving ahead, Nauria Pakhanglakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra inspected works being carried out under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA in areas under Zilla Parishad and Gram Panchayat of the constituency today. The local MLA got infuriated with the substandard works being carried out. He urged the relevant officials to blacklist the implementing agencies. Imphal District Program Coordinator, Chief Executive Officer and concerned BDO accompanied the local MLA. Speaking to media, MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra said that he received various complaints from the people about the low quality works. Chairman of Pantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, PHFCL, TH Hemo has clarified that the company has not taken any unauthorized deposits from the public till date. He has refuted the recent social media circulation charging the company of taking unauthorized deposits from public under an agenda of Reserve Bank of India (RBI). TH Hemo stated that deposits facility is available only at Pantoibi Nidhi Limited, which is a sister company of Pantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, and not at Pantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited. Speaking to media at the PHFCL office in Oripog, Tarangbam Lekai today, TH Hemo said that the company has abided by every rules and regulations, giving 12.5% maximum interest in a year. He asserted that Panthoibi Nidhi Limited is a licensed company under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Nidhi Rules 2014 under the RBI guidelines. He maintained that apart from Nidhi Limited, other sources of funds for Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited come from shareholders, stakeholders and various funding agencies of the company. He asserted that the company, having completed 14 years of service and being a reputed finance company, obtained the license of Panthoibi Nidhi Limited for the benefit of the people. He stated that the company has opened subsidiary companies to provide various services to the people.
Panthoibi Nidhi Limited harakanda si sukimati ekoi iramdam sida sunaraba aina yaraba aduga RBI na yaraba rate of interest 12.5 amuko sona panjari 1.04% ba month si sukimati chawraba interest rate amaka masimia am enjoy to view aduga adomna yamna very reasonable aduga amuksu very handsome rate of interest da invest to birakose adom su tension free da income generate to birani adomgi financial freedom phangani aduga amuksu adomna invest to biri amount to na amuk chakhra any borrower, any business to different activities that we mayamna madugi financial assistance to companies ki thokrakanda hen profit laibe hen grow torba adugumba yamna kai haini iramdam sigi kanaba koi loinamak develop toragadi loinamak sound ragadi society society am rakadobuni na koina loan yaba aduga Reserve Bank of India na yaba rate of interest to the koi punna samina ba makang matam oire haba wakalon adumakakni.
As a part of security measures, Bishnupur District Police conducted cordon and search operations at Kabo Wakching area of the district from 5 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. today. The team under the command of Bishnupur District Police Additional SP Operations verified altogether 920 people, including 350 women. The team picked up 5 individuals, including 3 bailout, and handed over to Nambol Police Station for further verification. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on tabling of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Union Home Minister Amit Shah moved today the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha, which was passed in the Lok Sabha on Monday, saying that Indian Muslims were, are and will remain Indian citizens. Moving the bill that provides Indian citizenship to non-Muslim migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, Amit Shah said minorities in the 3 nations did not get equal rights. Several MPs of opposition parties moved a motion to send the Citizenship Amendment Bill to the Select Committee of the Upper House. The bill and the opposition motion will be put to vote after a debate on it. Amit Shah rejected the charge of vote bank politics, saying the BJP had declared its intention to bring such a legislation in its election manifesto for the 2019 general election and won the approval of the people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also accused the opposition of speaking Pakistan's language on the Citizenship Amendment Bill and asserted that the proposed legislation will be written in golden letters in history. It may be mentioned that the bill was passed in the Lok Sabha on December 9 after 7 long hours of discussion. On voting to pass the bill, 311 members of the lower house supported the bill and 80 members were against the bill. Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB 2019 modifies the Citizenship Act 1955, the Passport Act 1920 and the Foreigners Act 1946. Now the sports news. The first ever Indigenous Tribal Games and Sports Meet 2019 was held at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Tribal Research Institute Manipur and All Tribal Students Union Manipur Atsam jointly organized the event. Various tribal inhabitants of the state exhibited various indigenous sports at the sports meet held on the theme Unity Through Sports. Speaking on the occasion, Atsam General Secretary Saiboy Haukip said that the event aimed to preserve various indigenous sports passed down by forefathers of various tribal communities of the state. He expressed a desire for the government to organize a sports meet at the state level.
हानदगी इपुइपासिंगना सानारंबा सिगुम्बा गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स सिंग प्रमोट तौनबा अहानबा ट्राइबल इंडिजिनस गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स पांगथोक चबनी हंदकी पांगथोक चबसी कंपटीशन दि नते अदुबु शो कास्टिंग डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन तौबनी एकोइना खंजरी सिना गवर्नमेंट दगी फजन सपोर्ट लागा मसिगुम्बा सिसु टूर्नामेंट गुम्बा कंपटीशन दा सिगुम्बा पांगथोक यानबसी मथंगदगी होटनगनी हाइबसी असुमना हाइजबनी हाना एकोइगिसु इंडिजिनस गेम ओरंबा पोलो खंगदे कबड्डी खंगदे सिगुम्बा सिसु सरकारना फजन योखतबा कांदा हुजिकदि इंटरनेशनल की थाक चलीबने अदुगुमना एकोइगी हुजिक मणिपुर ट्राइबल सिंगी इंडिजिनस गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स सिंगसिसु गवर्नमेंट फजन येंसिनबिरगा सिसु प्रमोट तौजरगा इंटरनेशनल की थाकतसु चटपा यानबसी सरकारना मियेंग चंगबिरगा ngasi sisu tribal research and institute ga adsumna collaborate tawraga sinjabani.
Mohun Bagan will play against Rao FC in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium at 5 p.m. this evening. In yesterday's league match played at Punjab's Guru Nanak Stadium, Minerva Punjab beat Chennai City FC by 3-1. For the winners, Asir Perik Dipanda, Thoiba Singh Morangthem and Sergio Da Silva Jr. scored 1 goal each at 78, 87 and 90 plus 1 minute. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Pedro Manzi at 85th minute of the match. Odisha will play against Hyderabad in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Odisha's Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex tonight at 7:30. Odisha with 6 points is at the 7th position and Hyderabad with 4 points is at the 10th position of the league's table tally. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President Ramnath Kovind issues official gazette notification implementing inner line permit system in Manipur from today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says CAB will not be applicable in Manipur. Defunct bamboo chipping factory at Kadamtala village in Jiribam district lays in ruins. Defunct factory becomes haven for drug abusers. And TRI and Assam jointly kicks off first ever indigenous tribal sports and games meet 2019 at Kumanla Park Sports Complex today.